You spent 15 years in school. You learned algebra. You memorized history dates. You dissected frogs. But no one, not a single teacher, ever sat you down and said, "Here is how money works. Here is how the rich think. Here is how you can build wealth." Why? Was it an accident? Was it just forgotten? No. It was a choice. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly what they didn't teach you, and more importantly, why. The truth about the school system. The modern school system was not designed to create millionaires. It was designed to create workers. Think about it. The Industrial Revolution needed factory workers, office clerks, and soldiers. People who would follow instructions, show up on time, do what they were told. And the education system was built perfectly for exactly that purpose. In 1902, John D. Rockefeller, one of the wealthiest men in American history, helped fund the General Education Board. Their own documents spoke about creating workers who would not question the system. Not dreamers, not investors, not entrepreneurs, workers. And here's the uncomfortable truth. That same foundation has barely changed. We teach children to memorize answers, but never to ask the right questions. We reward obedience, but not creativity. We teach them to work for money, but never how to make money work for them. The system produced exactly what it was designed to produce. And if you are watching this video, it is time you stepped outside that system. What they should have taught you. So what exactly did school skip? Number 1. How money actually works. The currency in your pocket loses value every single year. This is called inflation. $100 today will buy less next year than it does today. School never told you that keeping all your money in a savings account is actually losing money slowly. Number 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. Rich people buy assets, things that put money into their pocket. Stocks, rental properties, businesses. Poor and middle-class people buy liabilities, things that take money out of their pocket. New cars, luxury items bought on credit, things that feel rich but create debt. Robert Kiyosaki wrote about this in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, one of the most important books about money ever written. And none of it was in your school textbooks. Number 3. Compound interest. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 22, by the time you reach 60, you could have over $1 million. Not because you're brilliant, but simply because time and interest work for you. That is information that could change lives. And it was never taught in class. Number 4. How taxes work. The wealthy don't just earn more. They understand the tax code. They use legal structures, businesses, investments, real estate, to reduce what they owe. Meanwhile, an employee pays taxes before they spend a single rupee or rial. A business owner pays taxes after expenses. That single difference creates generational wealth gaps. The mindset they didn't give you. But the biggest thing school failed to give you was not a lesson. It was a mindset. The employee mindset says, find a safe job, get a salary, retire at 60. The wealth mindset says, build skills, create value, own things, let money work for you. School trained you to fear failure. Every wrong answer was punished with a red mark. Every mistake was recorded on your report card. But in the real world of business and investing, failure is education. Every successful entrepreneur you have ever heard of failed first. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Elon Musk's first 2 SpaceX rockets exploded. They did not stop. They learned. They adapted. They won. School also trained you to think in a fixed way about money. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. Be grateful for what you have. These are not wisdom. These are limitations, disguised as wisdom, passed down from generation to generation. You can be grateful and ambitious. You can be humble and wealthy. These are not opposites. The moment you reprogram your money mindset, everything changes. Who benefits from your financial ignorance? Now let me ask you something uncomfortable. Who benefits when you don't understand money? Banks benefit. When you don't understand interest rates, they charge you 24% on credit cards while paying you 2% on savings. Consumer companies benefit. When you buy things emotionally, luxury cars, the latest phone, branded clothes, to feel successful instead of becoming successful. Governments benefit. When you are dependent on a salary, you are easy to tax, easy to control, easy to manage. This is not a conspiracy theory. This is economics. Ignorance is profitable for everyone except you. The most powerful thing you can do right now is educate yourself. Not to fight the system, but to understand it so well that you can play the game better than anyone around you. What you can do right now. So where do you start? Step 1. Read the books they never assigned. Start with Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Then read The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Then The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. These 3 books contain more financial education than 15 years of schooling. Step 2. Learn one income-generating skill. Copywriting, digital marketing, coding, sales, real estate basics. Pick one skill and go deep. Every rupee or rial you earn from a skill you own, no one can take that from you. Step 3. Start investing, even small. You do not need to be rich to invest. You need to start. Even $50 a month in an index fund is the beginning of a new financial chapter. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Step 4. Track every dirham, rupee, or dollar. You cannot manage what you don't measure. Know exactly what comes in. Know exactly what goes out. Most people have no idea where their money disappears every month. And that is exactly why it disappears. Step 5. Surround yourself with financial conversations. The people around you shape your financial beliefs more than any book. Find communities, online or offline, where money, investing, and building wealth are normal conversations. That shift alone will transform how you think. School gave you many things, and we are grateful for them. But financial freedom was never on the curriculum. Not by mistake, by design. The good news: you are here. You are watching this. You are already ahead of millions of people who will never ask these questions. The richest people in the world are not necessarily the most educated. They are the most financially educated. And that education starts today. Right here. Right now. If this video gave you even one idea that changes how you think about money, then share it. Because someone in your circle, a friend, a sibling, a colleague, needs to hear this today. Like this video. Subscribe to Success and Savings. And remember, the school system taught you how to work for money. Now it's time to teach yourself how money works for you. See you in the next video.